Hello, everyone. I hope your day is going well. Uh, I'm here today to sell you something very nice, okay? And just to get us started, I have a few questions for you. So, do you want to be able to have a place to vacation anytime? Do you want to be able to relax and go to the beach without any crowds? And do you want to live a life of luxury, really? If you said yes to any of these questions at all, then this private island is for you. And as you can see here, it's a tropical island, very nice. And we'll get on to the details all in a second. So, this island is called Getaway Island. Very original, I know. And it's located right in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. And so to get there, you're going to need to get there by plane, obviously, but it's pretty much like your own mini Hawaii. It's very close to Hawaii, and obviously much, much smaller, but it's very, very tropical, very nice weather almost all the time. So you don't have to worry about going there and it's going to be cold. You don't have to worry about that at all. So there are all sorts of advantages here. You get your year-round vacation home, obviously, and just with that, you get to come here pretty much anytime you want since it's your private island. You don't have to rent a house here. Everything here will be yours. You can walk to the beach anytime at all, really. Just walking from one of your houses here, just out to the beach, enjoy the sun, enjoy the ocean, and you get to avoid the busyness of everyday life and just relax, really. And of course, since it is your whole island, you're pretty much in charge, which leaves you just to do really what you please. And kind of it's a nice thing since we're all cooped up at home now, a good idea to get away. So, how to get there? Well, like I said earlier, you can fly to and from the island. There's actually an airport located right in the middle of the island. Not a big, big airport or anything, but something that can, sustain a private jet, coming to and from the island. And, of course, this private jet is actually included in your private island purchase. So, even if you're not convinced with just a private island, you get a private jet included in your purchase of it. So, it's a 2-for-1 deal almost. What else? So, there are 3 different private homes on the island. So, there's one at the very top on the north, and then one on the bottom left, and then one on the bottom right. And at the 2 bottom homes, there's one fishing dock at each home. So you're able to go out, fish anytime you want, just, again, soak up the sun. And you also get your own boat, which means that you can go out from these docks and really just sail the seas pretty much. You get to go wherever you want in the ocean. And, of course, the main theme of this island is just being able to relax and enjoy the tropical weather. And on this island, of course, you get your own personal staff, which is just another bonus. And with your personal staff, they're able to take care of things for you, like food and obviously cleaning up. If you have any questions, of course, they can help you out with that. There's no point, when you're on this island that you should feel like you have no one else there to help you. You don't know what to do. You will not feel stranded at all. You have your own personal staff, and of course you can bring anyone you want as well. It's not just for you, and so this is really just your own resort with people to help you out along the way. Of course, there are many more amenities. There's a golf cart included, an indoor pool in the main house, shown here on the picture, and also easy road access around the island. This is very helpful to get to and from each house, and it just makes it easier so you don't have to walk through all the trees and the forest and stuff. And of course, lots more you can do. I mean, you could go out on your boat and watch for dolphins. There's just endless things to do. And of course, the other amenities included would be like things like Wi-Fi, TV. There is cell service, by the way, so that's a bonus. Don't have to worry about that being a problem. And in conclusion, okay, so as we discussed throughout this overall is just a fantastic island, and the scenery is just very nice, very tropical, exactly what you would expect from a private island near Hawaii in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. with private beaches and 3 homes, you pretty much can go wherever you want on this island anytime and just enjoy its relaxing vibe and really get the best out of it. Also, tons of great amenities with your island purchase. So, with that all being said, I hope you do not forget to order now and get it today.